Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Bentley Azure. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 6.8-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Bentley is a great value with less than 27,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 10 miles per gallon in the city, and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.